In today's video, I'm going to show you how to write a high-quality newsletter in Beehiiv, step by step, so you can create something that looks professional, reads clearly, and keeps your audience engaged from start to finish. Whether you're building a personal brand, growing an email list, or sending updates to your subscribers, this simple workflow will help you write newsletters that feel polished and effective. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. The first thing you want to do is log into Beehiiv. Once you're inside your account, take a moment to get comfortable with the dashboard. Before you start writing, the most important step is choosing one clear topic for your newsletter. A strong newsletter always starts with a focused idea. Instead of trying to cover too many things at once, pick one subject that is useful, relevant, and interesting to your readers. That could be a tip, a story, an update, an insight, or a lesson that your audience will actually care about. After you have your topic in mind, open Beehiiv and click Write. This will take you into the newsletter editor where you can start building your content. The next step is creating a compelling headline. Your headline should make people want to open and read more. Keep it clear, specific, and engaging. Think about what would grab attention in an inbox. A good headline tells the reader what they'll get and gives them a reason to keep going. Now begin writing your introduction. This is where you set the tone for the rest of the newsletter. A strong introduction should quickly connect with the reader and explain why the topic matters. You do not need to write a huge opening paragraph. In fact, shorter and more direct often works better. Your goal is to hook the reader early and make them want to continue. As you write the main body of the newsletter, keep your paragraphs short and easy to scan. Most people read newsletters quickly, so large blocks of text can feel overwhelming. Short paragraphs make your content look cleaner and improve readability. Break up your ideas so each paragraph covers one main point. This makes the newsletter easier to follow and more enjoyable to read. If it makes sense for your content, add relevant images to support your message. Images can help break up the text, make the newsletter more visually appealing, and add extra context. Just make sure the images are actually useful and not distracting. Every element in your newsletter should support the overall message. Once your draft is written, it's time to check grammar and spelling carefully. This is one of the easiest ways to improve the quality of your newsletter instantly. Even small mistakes can make your writing feel less polished, so read through everything slowly and correct any errors you find. Clean writing builds trust and makes your newsletter feel more professional. After that, click Preview. This step is very important because it lets you see exactly how your newsletter will look before it goes out. Don't just skim it quickly. Read the newsletter from a subscriber's perspective. Ask yourself if the headline is strong, if the structure makes sense, and if the message is easy to understand. This is your chance to catch awkward phrasing, formatting issues, or anything that feels off. Now make your final edits. Tighten up the writing, improve the flow, and remove anything unnecessary. Sometimes a small change can make a big difference in how your newsletter reads. Focus on clarity, value, and simplicity. A high-quality newsletter is not about writing more words. It's about writing the right words. Before publishing, send a test email. This lets you check how the newsletter appears in a real inbox. You can verify the formatting, spacing, links, images, and overall presentation.
A test email is one of the best ways to make sure everything looks correct before your subscribers receive it. Once everything looks good, click Publish. And that's it. You've now created and sent a high-quality newsletter in Beehiiv. By choosing one clear topic, writing a strong headline and introduction, keeping your paragraphs short, reviewing everything carefully, and testing before sending, you can create newsletters that look professional and feel valuable to your audience. If this video helped you out, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.